Hello, and welcome to another update video about Polkadot. Yeah, DOT continues to go lower. That's still the plan anyway. There's currently no sign that anything more bullish is going on. There is currently no sign that we have stopped the downtrend or anything. Quick reminder, we are looking at this chart as a wave 5, or it's currently in a wave 5 of a wave C of a larger wave 2 correction. So in this area, ideally, the overall bear market should complete. That's at least an area to watch until we see a first upside impulse, though. You have to assume that it might go further and you're just catching the falling knife if you buy DOT here. Looking at the lower time frames, it seems like this wave 5 obviously consists of a 5-wave move. The 5th wave could be nearly finished, but I think 2 more waves are needed. The wave B pullback and the C wave down. We're going to take a look at that now. The wave 5 itself consists of a WXYXZ structure, WXYXZ. Other interpretations will be possible. For me, there is one that sort of makes sense. It is, however, not a very reliable one because WXYXZ structures are extremely rare. But it is certainly a way to count this and probably a reasonable wave count as long as the price is in this corrective price channel here to the downside. If you're wondering why a wave 5 consists of corrective structures, then that's very simple to explain, very easy to explain. Sorry, the reason is that in an ending diagonal, which this has to be, due to the overlap between waves 1 and waves 4, the wave structures of each of the individual 5 waves, each of the subwaves is corrective. Okay, so ABC, 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 or WXY, W. So something more complex, yeah? A correction or a more complex correction. So anyway, we are focusing on further downside. Seems like the wave W is complete, X, Y, and X. Now we are in the Z wave, or Z, don't know. Depends on where you live. And so looking here at further downside. Yep. And at the moment, this move down looks fairly impulsive. I think a pullback is due as a reaction to the support line here, which is this $3.98 level roughly here in this region, previous support. So a B wave bounce seems likely because the Z wave is an ABC structure, and this could be the A wave, which looks quite impulsive, and A wave can be an impulse. Then the B wave pullback and the C wave down. Wouldn't rule out that the B wave touches and tests the trend lines, the trend channels, upper boundary line, and then we come down in the C wave. Then as soon as we have the B wave, okay, we can calculate the C wave target to the downside more precisely. At the moment, however, I also have to say that there is zero evidence that the A wave is finished, and there is zero evidence that the B wave has started. So we just need to be a bit flexible here and just wait for that signal that the B wave has started, which would be, just some kind of a corrective move up. It wouldn't be a strongly trending move, most likely not, if it's a B wave not. If we, of course, break out, breaking the chair here. If we, of course, break out of this channel to the upside, yeah, then there is, of course, a chance to reset the X wave higher. That's resistance. So, I mean, for me, it's like, as long as we don't have an impulse above the upper resistance line at $4.59, $4.60, the downside pressure remains, okay? Because it could easily be that this X wave just gets a bit of a reset. If the move up is corrective, then yeah, this is likely what's going to happen here. But it's okay from looking at the proportions. The X wave doesn't need to go any higher, so I'm watching for an ABC structure to the downside. But it's always worth knowing, okay, what would happen if we see a little bit further upside than expected in this microstructure. Yeah, that's my update about DOT. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.